we're getting a lot of feedback out there that a lot of people are interested in moving from maintenance technician roles to control systems. And can you talk about that transition and what that's like, or what you've observed in at your place of work?
This is a pretty common transition at Amazon, and a lot of it typically comes from um, the employee's background um, before Amazon, right? So a lot of the people we see transition did have more electrical work, had dabbled in programming logic or anything of that nature before, and whenever they come in for a maintenance role because they either want to learn the maintenance aspect or they just want to continue to grow in that space. And then as they progress, they feel that they want to take a more specialized role within the controls team. So we do offer training and things of that nature, but for our controls team, it is a little bit more specialized. So you do have some background understanding before you jump into those roles, but we do see that happen. I can even speak internally to my own buildings, right? I've had at least two technicians that were maintenance techs who had just a niche as they kind of progressed within the maintenance team when it came to electrical work and just a high interest and back to that bias for action in terms of they seeked opportunities to be able to kind of incorporate the programming side of everything into their daily operation, and eventually they found their way into the control space, right? So there are opportunities. Again, this control space is a little bit more specialized. It's not as um, broad, I guess you can say, as the maintenance roles that we do have, but I have seen quite a few people, especially with strong electrical backgrounds, make it into the control space and succeed.